guys. Oh, do you know this phone? I've just filmed this video, and realised it stopped recording, and I've no idea when. So let's do it again anyway. It's happened a good job anyway, because I'll probably be a bit less rambly in this one. Maybe not anyway. But yeah, look at my room, guys. Look at it. I'm owning it. I am owning it. Look at it. It is a mess. The shelves are tidy because I did them a few weeks ago, and they actually do stay quite organised, but everything else is just chaos. Crafting chaos. And gasp and go, oh my god, all you want. I don't care. You know, it's not bothering me. I'm not in here, so I don't need to worry about it. It's not particularly at the moment hindering Taylor's space, because as regular followers will know, at the moment I am sharing half of this room with our son Taylor. He puts up with it, he doesn't mind. As long as I don't encroach on his side of the room, which is also just as bad, but you know, it's not his fault because he's sharing half of his room with me. As long as I don't encroach on his space, he's not really bothered, and actually 90% of the time his stuff ends up on my desk anyway. You know. But yeah, I mean, my chair's over here instead of there, so there's room for his chair, so he's not bothered. As long as he's got the space to move his chair around in, he's not bothered, and during the day when I'm in here I shove his chair over, so I have a chair, but I predominantly stand up to craft anyway. But yeah, so I'm on because I've just a quick video. But yeah, this is why there's not going to be any videos for a while. I have posted on Facebook and Instagram, and then I realised, well, that's alright, but you guys on YouTube that don't follow us on social media don't see all this. Well, not just the behind the scenes, but you don't see the social media posts because not everybody on here follows us. So I just thought I'd pop on with a quick video to let you know what's going on. Basically this. I can't craft because I can't find a space. And I refuse to move into the other room, excuse me. But yeah, so there's all sorts, guys. A lot of this on here is video stuff. Craft haul. Some more stuff in that box is a craft haul. Yeah, some more craft haul-y stuff. Oh god, that stuff in that bag there is way overdue, because that's from like 2-3 weeks ago, from when I went to see Michelle when we were on holiday. That's there is a couple of things to actually review in there, but a lot of the stuff in there is like friendship gifts, birthday presents from when I went to see her. I believe I've already done that one. That's either one from Andy or... no, that wasn't Andy, that was from Anne. That and them and that is a mail time at Craft Hall. This, haven't finished decorating it or anything yet, but this is actually November's, this month's tutorial Thursday, which might end up being December's or January's at this rate. Yeah, and my sewing machine's at the back of there, and I actually need to use it. That's part of a craft haul. Yeah, craft haul from when we were on holiday. Them two bags down there, oh my god, that's awesome. Today is Friday the 8th of November, and on Monday I went with my mum for her to get a new phone, and next door to the car phone warehouse where we go, there's a big charity shop, Dr. Bernardo's I think it's called. We went in there and I picked, oh, there's some awesome stuff in them two bags, awesome. I grabbed some really good stuff from there, but in the meantime, like I said, guys, this is it. This is what I showed, and I put a post up showing all this and saying I'm owning it. It's mine. I did it. There's no getting away from it, so there's no point pretending it's not there. Like I said, I'm owning it, guys. This is my current predicament. Not only is this the reason I can't do any videos or craft, but my reason for that at the moment is we've gone from having 3 grandbabies 3 times a week to 3 grandbabies 4 times a week. So, you know, 2 grandbabies 3 times. No. 2 grandbabies 3 days a week. No, that doesn't work out. Oh, right. Brain's working faster. No, my mouth's working faster than my brain. 1 second. Oh, dear me. Right. Up until Monday this week, well actually Tuesday, but up until this week, we previously used to have, now which way were it? Right, Coffee Bean, which is grandbaby number 4, on a Wednesday, Pumpkin, grandbaby number 3, on a Friday, and Peppa Pig's Little Human, which is grandbaby number 2, on a Sunday. Now we still have Peppa Pig's Little Human on a Sunday. We have her at weekend because she's at school now, so obviously she doesn't finish school till 3 o'clock during the week and it's too late for her to come to us, so we have her on a Sunday. Grandbaby number 3, Pumpkin, is 16, 17 month old, so she's, you know, she's not even at nursery yet. And Coffee Bean is 6 months old next week. We now have Pumpkin. We used to have her on Fridays, but we don't. Starting this week, we now have her on Tuesday and Thursday because we're now, well, say we, me, predominantly me, are now actually child-minding. It's just extra grandbaby time to us, but we're now actually like her childminders. She's coming to us in place of going to a childminder because her mum's working and, you know, it costs her more in childcare than it would do in what wages she's earning. So it was like, yeah, we'll have her an extra day a week, no problem. So at the moment we're giving it a trial run, but I can't see it changing anytime soon because she's an absolute pleasure to have. We've had a fantastic couple of days. But then, like I said, I've got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday now with babies in the house. I've only got Monday and Friday free. Saturdays, I've always really had Saturdays free because Taylor goes to my mum and dad's Friday night. So Saturday I do tend to do my bulk filming during the day and then I schedule ahead. But now I've got basically a grandbaby over 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And of course they're the 2 youngest, so they're the 2 most active. I need Saturdays to recover, you know, I'm getting out. But yeah, so, you know, this has just got left. It's like, I'm not going in there and doing that. I've had babies for 3 days. I'm on a day off, you know, so today's been a chill day. Although today will be the day that I tidy this up. But instead of this all getting done over a period of a day or 2 days, it's been left and it's been like this for about a week now. So, and then of course, the thing is, we all do it. As soon as something gets piled up and doesn't get moved straight away, other stuff just gets piled on top of it. So it has accumulated. But yeah, like I said, I'm owning it, guys, and I'm not bothered in the slightest. Because if it came to choosing between being in here and crafting and tidying this mess, or being in there playing with grandbabies and making memories, I know where I'd rather be. And I am, basically. That's it. So this is just a quick update to let you know that I might be a little bit quiet. Social media will be fine because that's photos related, you know, it's quite easy to do. I am also in the background working on updating the blog, but there's nothing really major goes on there that you don't already see on Facebook and Instagram anyway, because the blog's just basically another place to post videos, to be honest. But yeah, so I'm working on getting that up to date in the background, give me something to do while I'm having computer time, like when babies are napping, that sort of thing. But yeah, but other than that, like I said, videos might be a little bit scarce for a while, guys, because yesterday's craft haul, the haberdashery one, was the last video that I did when I did a bulk film before we went on holiday last month. Like I said, I do them all in bulk and then I spread them out, schedule them, spread them out, and yesterday was the last one. I've got no pre-filmed videos. I actually have to film some now to be able to schedule ahead, but as you can see, I have other things that need doing first and very few days to do them in. So instead of having a video go public every Monday and Thursday, there may just be 1 week or maybe one a fortnight for a few weeks, or until after Christmas possibly, just until I get in a new routine basically. I'm not saying because I now have a grandbaby Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I'm never going to do a video again because I want my time. My time is this time. This is my time. I'm just saying I need to get myself into a new routine before I sit down and say, right, well, today I'm going to do this, and Saturday, well, like I said, Saturdays probably will still be filming days, but yeah, also, like I've said previously, and shown previously in another video, this is my room, sort of, mine and Taylor's, but this is my room. And just there, you know, it's not a separate room. That's all built-in shelves, and at the other side of there is a big wall unit that me and Third Man built. And then just at the back of this curtain is our living room. This is the wall unit that we built. That's the only thing separating me from the living room. And yeah, so it's not just a case of coming in here and filming because I've got a day free. It's coming in here and filming when there's nobody in there, because I can't come in here and film when there's people in there talking. So, well, I could, but you wouldn't like what they were talking about. But yeah, so I'm going to go now, guys, anyway, because I think I'm probably making you seasick, and I'm sorry about the lighting and everything. But yeah, this is it. This is where I'm at right now. And like I said, currently, this is the last thing on my mind to be doing. Today is going to be the day I tidy this up. I won't video it, but I probably will come back later on today or tomorrow, like it's Saturday tomorrow. So my daughter's 21 tomorrow, so we're going out for a meal tomorrow night, but I will have tomorrow during the day free, so I might just pop in and show you this is what it's like after I've finished. But yeah, so life is taking over and crafting is taking a back seat. So I will see you again soon, guys. I promise that, because I'm not giving up. I am just reorganising my priorities right now, and at the moment this is the least of them. But yeah, if you want to keep update, I don't do this often, but if you do want to keep more update on what I'm up to and what's going on in the background, do click on the links below in the description and check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram predominantly. I say we, I mean me. I post to Facebook daily. I post to Instagram pretty much the same, but then Instagram automatically posts to Twitter and Tumblr for me, but I'm not on there. I don't go on and check Twitter. Instagram just posts it there and then I forget about it. But yeah, so if you want to see what's going on, or you want to get hold of me, Facebook or Instagram, that's about the two best places, apart from here on YouTube. But obviously, like I said, I'm going to be AWOL for a bit. But yeah, so this is it, guys. Like I said, I am owning my mess. So yeah, I'm off. Happy days. I don't even know where I was going with this video, to be honest. I was just giving an update. I just figured, obviously, like I said, because some of you guys on YouTube don't follow us on social media, so you have no idea what's going on. And after yesterday's video, there might not be another one for a few weeks, well, till next week or a few weeks maybe. And some of you, I know, will be getting worried, like, where are you? So I'm here. Hi. I'm just not in here. I'm in here playing with babies instead. So yes, thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, and I will see you again soon. Bye.